Hi, Learning Coaches. I want to share with you how to share your students' writing journal with me or any other document that they create within the Office platform. First thing you want to do is to open up the journal on your desktop. You then want to save the journal with their name. So make sure you put your name at the beginning. So I'm going to write Mrs. Day September Journal. I'm going to go ahead and just save it. I then will go to File. Once I'm in File, I'm going to look for the word Share. I will click on the Share. Make sure then that you upload a copy of it to your OneDrive through K-12. So each student has a OneDrive account through Office 365. I believe yours will also say K-12 Inc., just like mine. Go ahead and click on that. Once it's ready to share, you will see this screen. Make sure it's left to anyone with this link can edit. That way I can make comments to your child, put stickers up on their board, and just interact with them through their writing. You're then going to look for me in this line. So I am going to type my name. It's going to pop up several. You're going to look for Christina Day. You are going to look for the one that says teacher. And I'll say Christina Day, OHVA teacher. I do not believe you can see all the other people, but I can as a teacher. I can see the other schools as well. You will type in K-Day and you'll click on me, and then once it's done, you will press send. You can type a message to me if you would like, or just press send. And once you see this, you know it's sent to me. Now your copy and my copy are linked together, so as your child edits it, I'm able to go in and look at their writing.